Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see CRUD operations on MongoDB. Now friends, if you have not installed MongoDB on your device, then please check the description box. I have given link in the description box for installation of MongoDB. So let's start with video. So within search box, first you have to type CMD, that is command prompt. So within command prompt, first type the command mongo sh and just press the enter button. So it will show the version of MongoDB available on your device as well as the version of Mongo shell. And it is connected with the MongoDB. Okay. Now we'll start with the CRUD operations. For that purpose, first we need to create a database. So I will use the command use ste. You can give any name to your database. I have given as a ste. It's channel name, Software Technology Empire. You can take name of database as per your choice. Now just press the enter button, the showing switch to DBSTE. Now within this, I want to create collection. So type the command db dot create collection and name of the collection is book. Just press the enter button. It is showing OK 1 means you have created the collection. Okay. If you want to check whether database and collection is created or not, then you can use the command show dbs and just press the enter button. It is showing st is created. Again, you can type the command show collections and just press the enter button. It is showing name of the collection available as a book. Now I want to insert record within this collection. So I will type the command db dot book dot insert one. Suppose I want to enter the first attribute as a book ID. Name of the attribute syntax is like that, within like this, within double quote you have to give the name of the attribute to that colon and value of the attribute. Suppose here you want to take ID as a 1. You can take as per your choice. Again, comma. I want to enter next attribute as a subject name. So I will take subject. Again, you have to pass value for this. Means like a key and value pair you have to create the attributes here. Now for subject name, suppose I want to give name of the subject as a database. As it is string, I will give it within double quote. Then suppose I want to enter the price. So then I will give the comma because I want to take the next attribute. So I will give here price. Again colon. Any value you can give for a price. Again, I want to create next parameter as pages. Suppose 300 pages. Okay. Now just press the enter. Now single row is inserted in our collection. If you want to see that row, then you can use the command db dot book dot find dot practice and just press the enter. You see record is inserted within the collection. Now suppose I want to insert multiple rows at a time. In such a cases, I can use the command db dot book dot insert many. So within round bracket, now see I'm going to insert multiple rows, means it's like a array. So within square bracket, I will start the entering different records. So suppose first record is, again I will pass here the book ID. Suppose ID is 2, comma, again subject, again name of the subject. Suppose I want to pass as a Python, comma. Now next, I want to give the price attribute, colon. Suppose its price is 70, comma, pages. Suppose it contains the 400 pages. Now see, one row is created here. I want to insert the next row. So again I will give the comma, and within next curly bracket I will start entering the next record. So again I will give the book ID, colon. Suppose I want to pass value as a 3, comma, subject. Suppose I want to give subject name as a computer networks, again comma. I want to give price as price, suppose 95, comma. Again suppose I want to pass the pages, suppose 600 pages. Okay. Now here we have within array we have passed two records. Okay. Now just press the enter key. Now see it is showing inserted IDs, means our IDs this inserted and object IDs are created for it. If you want to see all the records, then you can use the command db.book.find.pretty, so that it will give the output in the form of in the readable format. Just press the enter key. Now see, first we have inserted database subject, then Python, then computer networks. Now we have a collection having name as a book, and these are the records inserted with ashes. Now see friends, we have created the collection. Again this command shows the output in readable format, means from CRUD operation we have done with the create operation, then read operation. Now it's time to perform the update operation. So to perform update operation, we have to use the command db.book.update. One, I want to update the single record, so I will use the command update one. Again within round bracket, give the curly bracket, and here you have to access the record in the form of key and value pair. So here, suppose I want to update this second record, instead of Python subject, I want to give as a Python programming. So what I will do, I will access that record by using it's a key value pair. So I will give the object ID. Okay. And ID for that record is 2. So it is given here. So for update, you have to give the symbol dollar set, then type the set, colon, Now here you have to give the attribute whose value you want to change. Now here for subject, I want to change the value and I want to give the value as Python programming. So I will type Python programming. Okay. Now just press the enter key. Now see it is showing acknowledgement is true and our record is updated. If you want to see the updated record, again type the command db.book.find.pretty and just press the enter button. Now see it is showing the updated record, that is Python program. So we have completed the create the record, read, then update. Now it's time to delete the record. So while deleting the record, first you can drop the collection, then you can go to drop the database. So give the command db dot book dot drop and press the enter key. Now see it is showing reply as a true, means our book collection has been deleted. If you want to check it, you can give the command show collections and just press the enter button. Now see, when I type the show collections, it is not showing any collection, means our book collection has been deleted. Now I want to delete ST table also, STB database also. For that purpose, I will type the command db dot drop database and just press the enter button. So our database is also dropped or deleted. So again, you can type the command show dbs to check whether your database is deleted or not. Now see, it is not showing list name of our database here. Means our database is deleted. In this way, we have completed CRUD operations on MongoDB. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.